Hey everyone, I have November ellesstudio box to share with you, and let's get started on taking a peek. So there's two stamp sets this month. There's Say Cheese, which is going to be really fun to fussy cut the camera and the smile. Oops. Ooh, there we go. And the hearts, look at that, family selfie, group selfie. I love the little asterisk and a star. So much fun. Love that. And then Let's Eat. Definitely going to encourage me to document food more, which I don't. So there we go. One more bite. Yum. We ate here. Homemade. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Definitely a versatile stamp set right there. Some veneer. I think these are going to be Fa La La, I think. Yep, Fa La La. And then Ho Ho Ho. Some candy canes. Those are so fun. Oops. Aren't those cool? I like those. Those are going to be fun because my kids are obsessed with candy canes, and they just, if they could, they'd live off of candy canes during the holiday season. Some nice acrylic trees, good thick pieces right there. Some awesome wood veneer phrases. Seconds, please. Love you so much. This was so good. Movie popcorn night. Love these phrases. I hope they do more of those in the future. Some Christmas die cut labels. There's 34 of them, lots of different colors. And I think these will definitely match the Document December goodies. I see red and pink and gray and green. So lots of different shapes and sizes and variety. So those will be a lot of fun to use. 'Tis the Season paper stack. I love these, and I use them for so many different projects. So many good patterns. And that's just a pink. That's cool. Polka dots. Oh, and a light green and a dark green. That's fun. Stripes. 'Tis the Season. Trees. A red, and then like I would call this a mint. That's a good paper stack. That'll definitely be versatile. And then these, oh, I'm excited about these. I've wanted red alphas for a while. Yay, those will be great. And then holiday label stickers. I like how they included some that are more like Thanksgiving, fall, just like a big range of them. And these ones have different things on them. Winter, oh what fun, bah humbug, stay cozy, holiday shopping. Love those. And then November labels, lots of different colors with those. And then some holiday puffy stickers. I love these. They included Thanksgiving, a little slice of pumpkin pie, which is one of my favorites. I love this. So I feel like sometimes Thanksgiving doesn't get enough love, but I'm so glad they included this and some colors in the kit. So now let's take a look at the monthly kit. Right. All the details, notes from today, this awesome camera that came from the stamp set. So very grateful for. Highlights, just red, scale of 1 to 10. This leaf pattern that I think we saw in the October kit. A coffee cup. Love this one. This one, Giving Thanks. Homemade, and Deck the Halls. And then the die cuts, Magical, Let's Make Cookies, The Story, Holiday Selfie, and then Bells Will Be Ringing, a yellow little banner, Important, Time Together. Love that. There's lots of different colors to include both Thanksgiving and Christmas activities. And then the 4x6 cards, a nice blue, and then this one, and then this right here. All right, so I hope you enjoyed a look at the November goodies. I am gonna make some projects with them, and then I will be back to show you what I came up with. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will be back. All right, I am back to show you a sneak peek of my projects for November ellesstudio. I went with an all festive theme and I went all out with the embellishments for this traveler's notebook spread I did of my kids and I. I wanted to make sure to include a photo of my kids and I in my traveler's notebook. So I picked this one that I loved and I just, like I said, I added in all the embellishments. So that was my first project. My second one is my friend and I and our tradition of Snapchat selfies. We usually watch a movie after the kids go to bed and then we wind up staying up late taking hilarious selfies and videos. So I stuck with pink and red and I really, really love this. Probably a favorite project of mine that I've done for ellesstudio. So love how it came together. So those are my two projects. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing and seeing a sneak peek of my projects. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.